Many students say, I want IIT, but very few students actually understand the full process from starting preparation to finally entering IIT. First, understand what IIT means. Indian Institutes of Technology are India's top engineering institutes, and admission happens only through national level entrance exams. The journey usually starts after class 10th because serious preparation begins in class 11th when students choose physics, chemistry, and mathematics. These three subjects are compulsory for IIT engineering. Class 11th is extremely important because it builds the foundation. Many students make one mistake here. They focus only on school exams and ignore concept depth. But JEE requires strong conceptual understanding from the beginning. In class 12th, preparation becomes more serious because now students must manage both board exams and JEE together. The first exam in this journey is Joint Entrance Examination Main. This exam is conducted usually in two sessions every year, one around January and another around April. A student gets 3 consecutive years to attempt JEE Main after passing class 12th. That means one student can write JEE Main in 3 different years. The paper contains physics, chemistry, and mathematics with total marks of 300. JEE Main does not directly give IIT admission, it first gives percentile and rank. Through JEE Main, students can get admission into National Institutes of Technology, NITs, and Indian Institute of Information Technology, IITs. But for IIT, one more step is required. Only students who qualify in top range of JEE Main become eligible for Joint Entrance Examination Advanced. JEE Advanced is the real gateway to IIT. This exam is much harder because it tests deep concepts, analytical thinking, and multi-step problem solving. A student gets only 2 attempts for JEE Advanced in 2 consecutive years. After writing Advanced, marks are converted into rank. That rank becomes the deciding factor for IIT selection. Then comes counseling through Joint Seat Allocation Authority. We call it as JOSA. Here students fill IIT choices, branch choices, and preference order. Seat allotment depends on rank, category, branch preference, and available seats. If a student gets a seat, document verification happens, fee payment is completed, and finally admission is confirmed. That is how a student enters IIT. One important truth, IIT is not only about hard work, it is about correct planning, correct strategy, and consistency over time. A student who starts early understands concepts deeply, solves questions regularly, and stays consistent has a very strong chance. So, before saying I want IIT, first understand the full path clearly, then walk step by step. Today it may look difficult, but step by step it becomes possible. Keep learning, keep improving, and all the best to every future IITian. Thank you, students.